A is equal to 3 minus B. Find A when B is equal to minus 4. So if we write that out, A is equal to 3 minus B, and we want to find the value of A when B is equal to minus 4. So that'll be A is equal to 3 minus, and then we have to put that minus 4 into brackets like that. Now, using our rules of negative numbers, that will become 3 minus minus, so it'll be 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So you need to know your rules of negative numbers. Z is equal to 3x squared plus 4y, and we know that when x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 3, so we substitute that in, we're going to get z is equal to 3, brackets, minus 2, all that minus 2 is squared, plus 4 times minus 3. So it's going to be equal to 3. Now, minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2, plus 4 times minus 3. So 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 times minus 2 makes plus 12. Plus, and then 4 times minus 3 makes minus 12. So we've got to do 12 plus minus 12, which is equal to 0. So this has been a video to show you how to do substitution with negative numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.